When I travel, I like to cook. I really love cooking, hey? So I'm able to cook the food that I like. What I have here, this is an induction pan. If you've never used one of these are absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend that you get one. It's just so easy to cook on, instantaneous heat. It's like gas. The pan I have is a bit, it's a non-stick, but everything's sticking to it. I just think it's been used so many times. So you might find me using a little bit too much oil or butter just to try and stop things from sticking. And so what I'm going to make is an omelette, and I'm also just going to make a quick stir fry for later. So I just do it all at once. All this produce here is available from the markets, which is just down below me. It's just so good living in this area. I can just pop down there and in the mornings and get what I need. It's always fresh, it's always clean, and it's so cheap. It's a fabulous market. They also have a wet market in there. As I say, I'm vegetarian, so I don't need to do that, but for fresh veggies and eggs and just whatever you want, you're going to find it there. This is the stem of the broccoli. A lot of people just cut it and chuck it away. I actually find, I really enjoy it. I actually find it, I think, possibly the best part of the broccoli. And all I do is just cut it up into thin strips, and it just adds another texture and another flavour to the stir fry. Definitely try it. Don't chuck it away. Just cut all the crap off it, clean it. You just might be surprised how well it tastes. This tofu is just wonderful. I get two of these, two big blocks for 10,000, which is about 80 cents. And I am just so addicted to this. You can just put it straight in with soup. You don't need to cook it. You just cut it. I'll just cut one up for you. You can just cut it up and just put it straight into soup. And it's fantastic, but I'm going to cut up a little bit today. So I'm doing this one-handed, and I'm actually making up a lot more than what I need because I might as well just keep it, rather than have more mess. I'll have some spare for tomorrow. And I'll just lightly stir fry this. I've already cut up a little bit here as well. I've also just cut up the bok choy, also the shallots, and just a little bit of broccoli. And I'm pretty much ready to rock and roll, I think. This pan, it really sticks, like everything sticks to it. The coating, the non-stick coating has gone. So yeah, I have to use some olive oil. But the other day I was experimenting. I bought this butter. It's called the True Butter. And I found that kind of really works. I don't really like using a lot of this stuff, but I have to with this. The rice is just gone, so that's a good sign. So this induction is just, I love this. You just turn it on, it's on, and all I do, I just go to this 160, and I'm telling you, that's already hot. That's how quickly this thing happens. So I'm one-handed here. I've got the phone. I'm going to try and do everything one-handed. So what I'm going to do is just put this butter in. And just melt that. It's a lot of butter, I know, but hopefully it'll go through all the everything I put in there. I also have to add a bit of water just to help it non-stick. Hey, this is what happens when you're on the road. You have to just compromise with everything. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to do the tofu, and then I'll come back and do the veggies. And the egg I'll do very last because I'm going to fold that into an omelette. So already that's looking pretty good. With this induction, as soon as you take it off, the thing stops. So let's have a look. Yeah, that's pretty good. As I say, I'm one-handed here, so it's going to be very awkward for me to sort of do things. As I say, I'm making a lot more, so I don't have to do another cook. Okay, that's pretty good. This just needs to be lightly fried. Let's do that. And I'll come back in a few minutes when that's all done. Okay, this tofu is ready. I think I'm going to take it out. It's just starting to stick to this pan, so I'm going to say that that's done. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. That's pretty good. A little bit left. Now, what I want to do is chuck a little bit of olive oil in. It's probably too much, but there's a reason for it. Because what I need to do now is to put the veggies in there. Okay. And somehow I need to get this, which I've choked. I need to get this into there. It's a bit hard. I got one-handed with the chili and garlic. I really need a bit more actually. Might put a bit more in there. So the chili and garlic is in there. And then we'll, oh wow, that's really got some potency to it. Oh man, that chili, oh, I love it. But it makes me cry. The fumes that come off it, bloody beautiful. Okay, the veggies are done. So what I want to do is try and get it in there without putting it everywhere. And then I want to get ready for this omelette. So I'll come back and get myself set up. Now it's time to put this this egg in. It's going to be really hard one-handed. I've got all the juices in the pan in there, along with some more oil. Quite a bit of oil, but I think I'm going to have to do it because I cooked this very quickly. I'm going to put that just there. And what I want to do is try and fold this in without it going off too much. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. And I'm just trying to keep all the pan juices with this omelette. And let me just, a bit of a clean up, let me just try and do this. It doesn't take long and you can just severely burn this omelette in this pan. That is almost done. That's how quick it takes. Well, it hasn't come out as pretty as what I wanted. But I would say by the time I turn this camera off, that's done. And right there, that omelette is done. Yeah, it's a shame, I wanted it to look really nice and pretty, but anyway, so be it. So what I'm going to do is just take this off and then return the stir fry back in. And then we're ready to plate up in a second. I just want to run the heat back to this. Oh, that's good. If you don't like chili, don't eat with me. If you like chili, you're more than welcome. Okay, where's my beer? Oh, we're getting there, we're getting there. And the rice, oh, look at that. Ready. Bloody beautiful. I don't know how this video is going to turn up. It's the first time I've ever tried to do something like this, but I know how good my lunch is going to be. There she is. There's lunch. Rice, egg, tofu. We have some green in there, and we have some lime, some cucumber, a nice cold tiger, and also I highly recommend to get some soy sauce. This stuff's pretty good. It cost me $1 for this bottle. The best stuff is the Maggi, but they were out of it. So there's no excuses to not be able to fend for yourself while on the road, providing you have a facility to cook in a small kitchenette. And you know, I've just got this induction cooker with one pan which is in there. That's it. I'm really basic here. I don't have a lot, as you can see. I've got a bowl, I've got a fork and a knife, and that's it. Look at that. Ooh. If you like chili and you like garlic and you like it spicy, well, you're in the right place to have that. I'm about to eat. Catch you later. Alrighty, I might actually put some